In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create timeline in Smartsheet. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to smartsheet.com. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so you land on your home screen or workspace. You'll want to be in a place where you can create a new item, such as the Home tab or Solution Center, which you can access from the main navigation. Now look for the Create button. Depending on your layout, it's typically at the top right or in the left sidebar. Click it to open the creation panel. You'll see several options for new items. Choose the option labeled Timeline. This sets you up with a timeline-focused canvas instead of a traditional grid or Gantt sheet, so you can visualize phases, key events, and date ranges at a glance. Once your timeline opens, it's time to make it your own. Start by giving the timeline a clear name so you and your team can find it easily later. Then begin adding items that represent the work or milestones you want to track. Each timeline item should have a start date and an end date. Enter those dates, and Smartsheet will create a bar that spans that range. If you prefer to adjust visually, you can drag the ends of a bar to fine-tune dates directly on the canvas. For single-day events or key checkpoints, set a start and end date that are the same, or mark them as milestones if that option is available in your view. Use color to communicate categories or ownership. For example, assign one color to design, another to development, and another to launch activities. Consistent color coding makes your timeline easy to scan in meetings. You can also add brief labels or descriptions so each bar tells a clear story without opening details. If your timeline is getting crowded, try adjusting the zoom level to switch between a high-level quarterly view and a more detailed weekly view. This helps you keep the big picture while still confirming exact dates. As you customize, keep your audience in mind. Executives often prefer a clean, high-level view with major milestones highlighted, while project teams benefit from more detail and clear sequencing. When everything looks right, review for overlapping items, missing dates, or ambiguous labels. A quick pass now avoids confusion later. If you plan to share the timeline, check your sharing settings, and, if needed, export or present it directly from Smartsheet so everyone sees the latest version. That's all it takes to create and customize a timeline in Smartsheet. Simple, visual, and effective.